Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wasatch County in northern Utah, north central Utah County in northern Utah, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Linden, Oregon, 8 miles northwest of Provo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors may be injured. Possible hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles, as well as wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Provo, Heber City, Orem, Lehigh, Draper, Pleasant Grove, American Ford, Heber, Linden, Alpine, Daniel, Vineyard, Brigham Young University, Wasatch Mountain State Park, Utah Lake, Timber Lakes, Highland, Cedar Hills, Midway, and Charleston. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 263 and 281. Bus Route 40 between mile markers 16 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county.